Hi everyone, this is Joseph from VRS Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. In today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Fold 7. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the VRS design Terra active case that they sent out to me. They sent it out to me in camo and then also a dark brown. I think that's what it is. But we'll take a look at both of them and see what colors they actually sent out to me. I need to give them a shout out for sending these cases out to me for a review. I did review one a couple days ago. It was the wallet case. This one is more similar to like the Beacon or the Taurus kickstand case. It doesn't have the wallet feature on it, but it has MagSafe. And I think it might have a kickstand on there too. Don't quote me on that yet. Like we normally do my reviews, make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection? The overall fit, does it have bulk? You know, also how strong is the magnet on there? Does it have MagSafe? How easy is it to get on and off the phone? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. But let's get into it. Bam, let's start off. I think this is dark brown. I believe this is a dark brown one. Yes, it is. So with VRS Designs now, they are including the screen protector with every case, with every phone. So it's built in there. Again, if you want to take it off, you probably can use a hair dryer and actually get that off. But if not, you can take off your screen protector and just rock this one. And here's the back. Bam. So it doesn't have, oh, it has adhesive shit right there. But it doesn't have a kickstand. But it is MagSafe. It has the hinge protection on there. Let's see. This bad boy. Bam. Oh, okay. I don't know if that came off like in the video, but man, that was tight. Bam. So you have room for your power button and your volume rockers here. Again, I don't have any trouble getting to it. You also have some camera protection there. Bam. Also the lip protection. If you take this off, the screen protector out, you still have lip protection. But if you're using the built-in screen protector, you definitely have lip protection there. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top there too. Now, this one does add a little bit more bulk to your phone, but it's not bad, y'all. And it's not a heavy case either. So when you open it up, look, it is going to take some work to get this bad boy up out of there. So that's a good thing. It does cover up some of your display. Ugly mug in there. But it has that hinge protection. So it's going to protect it. It has the same VRS design. What y'all think about this brown color? I think it's okay. But this is a solid case. This is definitely a solid case from VRS Designs. I like it. You have a little logo there too. I don't even know what it says. Can't read. Oh, VRS Designs there too. Bam. How strong is this magnet? And can you wireless charge? It would be nice if I knew where my charger was. See, I don't even use the wireless charging. If I'm not doing a video, I'm usually not doing wireless charging. You can wireless charge without any issues. And then the magnet, it's pretty strong. And it turns too. It is, I guess it's 360. So it turns. So if you have like a little ring holder or something, you can spin it the way you want it. But that magnet is no joke. Okay. Okay. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Again, I will have the links in the description. Let me change the color and then we can wrap up this video. Nothing against the brown one, but look at that camo. Bam. That camo looks really nice. So again, if you want to pick these up, I'll have the links in the description. This does check off a lot of boxes for you. Again, the MagSafe is amazing on there, really strong. You get camera protection. You have a built-in screen protector, so you get lip action. The buttons are easy to get to. Everything lines up. Doesn't really add much bulk. It does add some, but not a lot. And overall, you have the hinge protection in there too. Bam. And so it has a lot going for it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.